How to create a YouTube channel. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to create a YouTube channel where you can post different videos and content for your audience. So first of all, head to the youtube.com. You gotta have a Gmail account. Log into your Gmail account, then head over to this section and click on settings. Go to view my channel. And here you can customize your channel and manage your videos. So here you can add a profile picture, a bio, your website if you have any websites, and the layout and branding and basic info for your channel where you're going to be posting. And here there's the dashboard and the content, analytics, comments, and subtitles. In the analytics section, you'll be able to have an overview about the views and watch time and subscribers, so you can keep count of that. And also there's the advanced mode, which will allow you to dive in even further into that and manage your content and manage your audience however you wish. Thanks for watching everyone, and thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.